Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I actually have a few charts for you to look at and be aware of because next week is a big week for earnings. Some of the biggest stocks in the market are reporting earnings next week, including Apple, Facebook, Amazon, PayPal, Tesla, Google, Microsoft, and some others. And so if you are in any of these stocks, it's really important that you know those earning dates because a lot of these stocks have had really nice runs off of their 50-day moving averages here. Microsoft off the 50-day, Apple off the 50-day, PayPal off the 50-day. You know, from the 50-day moving average, PayPal's up almost 20%. And so I wouldn't be surprised that if there is any crack in any of these earnings reports, these stocks could pull back pretty hard to their 50-day moving average, still technically be in an uptrend, but just be kind of like broken charts for the time being. Now, of course, it could also go the other way, where the stocks report great earnings and they gap up and run. We've seen that before. But it's really important that you focus on what stocks you own and when they have earnings. And if you do have a profit in a stock while you have earnings, it's prudent to take a little off just before. Now, you can always buy those shares back if they report, positive earnings. But it's really just a public service announcement for you to know when your stocks have earnings and recognize when some of them could be a little extended and pull back if there's anything negative about the earnings report. So no chart to buy right here, right now, but definitely some to keep an eye on. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely going to have my popcorn ready. So I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. We'll see you next time.